Before we take a close look at some of them, let's first see how an overdose of radiation affects the basic building block of life, the living cell. After a large number of tissue cells have been so injured or killed by high doses of radiation, signs of damage appear. While some of these effects are delayed, many appear within just a few weeks, a few days, or even a few hours. This film deals with the immediate effects of high radiation exposure. When farm animals receive external doses of gamma radiation, a few generalizations may be made about the immediate effects. Response of animals to radiation depends equally upon the rate of exposure. Now, suppose we look at some of the current experiments being conducted on farm animals.